Moving on now, the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the central government on a petition seeking a nationwide ban on online betting and gambling. The NGO's petition states that approximately 2,000 apps are facilitating online gambling and betting in the country. The petition demands the government to take immediate action in the interest of the youth. Now, the court has stated that a reply to the petition should be filed. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and K.V. Viswanathana issued the order. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, now we are seeing that the Supreme Court has issued a notice to the centre on wherein a petition is actually seeking a nationwide ban on online betting and gambling apps.
Well, absolutely. The top court has clubbed this petition with earlier petitions already filed in the Supreme Court, where Supreme Court agreed to hear all the petitions filed in different high courts. And in this petition, and also in general in this online gaming case, the Supreme Court has sought centre's reply, because the centre's reply is very important in this whole matter. And here the top court two-judge bench, as you rightly pointed out, has sought the centre's reply, centre's response on this, and centre will have to file response before November 26. That is the next date of hearing in this online gaming case. There are several petitions challenging this online gaming act in the Supreme Court. Earlier, many petitions were filed in the Karnataka High Court and Delhi High Court. Later on, centre has asked the Supreme Court to club all these petitions and hear at one place. So Supreme Court agreed in a way hear all these petitions at one place. And now the top court two-judge bench of Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice K.V. Viswanathan has agreed once club the petitions and ask the centre's reply into it. Now, centre's reply is going to be very important, because the several petitions in the Supreme Court are challenging the validity of this particular online gaming act and saying that it has impacted the business of online gaming companies and impacted the day-to-day business of these companies. And many top lawyers, including C.A. Sundaram, appeared in this case for petitioners challenging this particular act. A few of them are in support of this online gaming act, because on one hand, online gaming act it regulates the online gaming in the country, on one hand promoting the e-sports in general, but on the other hand regulating it for all these money games were banned in the country after this particular act once it comes into place. And also there are certain regulations to be made by the centre, how this particular online gaming act is to be implemented in general at ground zero. It is to be seen, and once the centre will file a detailed response, a reply in this online gaming case in the Supreme Court, the picture will be more clear, because that will be the official version of the centre, the central government on this online gaming act. And that will also show what exactly centre is thinking and how it is going to implement this particular act at ground zero. And now, if we talk about what happened in the Supreme Court so far, so the Supreme Court has sought, centre's reply in this, and during the hearing, senior advocate C.A. Sundaram, who appeared for one of the online gaming companies, told the Supreme Court that online gaming sector had been shut down for over a month, despite the law has not yet been notified. And also the businesses are shut for over a month, and what is requested from the court was that there should be some relief to be given in this particular online gaming case by the Supreme Court. Now it is to be seen what centre files accordingly. The Supreme Court two-judge bench will hear the matter on the next date of hearing, that is November 26th.
All right. Thank you so much, Sambhav, for all those details on that story. Moving on now, the Maharashtra